Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to do airdrop on iPhone. So the first method is you can go to the settings and then go to this general settings over here. Then you can click on airdrop. So you need to activate the airdrop first by clicking this everyone for 10 minutes. And if you want to turn it off, just click on this receiving off. And the second method is you can also go to control settings by swiping down like this, swiping down your screen like this, and then see this square. You can press and hold that square, and then you can click on airdrop to activate or to turn it down. So it goes the same as if you go to settings. So this is the shortcuts to activate and turn down your airdrop. And then after you activate it, you can send or receive files from other iPhone or iOS users. For example, here I'm going to share this WhatsApp. Just press and hold on WhatsApp icon, and then you can click on share app. Then you can choose airdrops. You can also send files or photos from your gallery like this. You can click on photos and then choose a photo or several photos that you want to share via airdrop like this. Just click on this share button and then choose airdrop, and then you can airdrop it to another iOS users. So that's how you do airdrop on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye guys.